Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how the subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Our topic for today is the impact of climate change in the Philippine ecosystems. This is quarter 3 biology for grade 11 general science. Again, this is quarter 3 biology lesson 10, the impact of climate change on Philippine ecosystems. The intended learning outcomes. Upon completing this discussion, the learners will be able to A. Define climate change and its primary causes. B. Identify and explain the specific impacts of climate change on key Philippine ecosystems. Letter C. Analyze the interconnectedness of these impacts, understanding how a change in one ecosystem can affect others. Recognize the vulnerability of the Philippines to climate change due to geographical location. Letter E. Formulate simple actions and solutions to mitigate and adapt to the effects of climate change. How climate change impacts Philippine ecosystems. Number 1. The Philippines is one of the most vulnerable countries in the world to climate change. This vulnerability is due to its geographical location in the Pacific Ring of Fire and within the typhoon belt, combined with its long, low-lying coastline. Climate change is a significant threat to the country's rich biodiversity, affecting its terrestrial, marine, and agricultural ecosystems. terrestrial ecosystems. Climate change disrupts the delicate balance of land-based ecosystems, including forests and grasslands. Changes in species distribution. As temperature rise, some species of plants and animals are forced to move to a higher, cooler elevations to survive. However, for species that are already at the highest points of mountains, there is nowhere left to go, which can lead to local extensions. This shift also disrupts the food web and the relationship between different species. Increased wildfires, prolonged droughts, and extreme heat, exacerbated by climate change, makes forests and grasslands more susceptible to wildfires. These wildfires destroy habitats, release large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, and can lead to soil erosion and desertification, making it harder for ecosystems to recover. Water scarcity. Climate change leads to more erratic rainfall patterns. Some areas experience intense rainfall and flooding, while others suffer from prolonged droughts. This affects freshwater ecosystems like rivers and lakes, leading to water shortages for both humans and wildlife. Coastal and marine ecosystems. The Philippines is an archipelago with one of the longest coastlines in the world, making its coastal and marine ecosystems especially vulnerable to climate change. Coral bleaching and ocean acidification. Rising sea surface temperatures cause corals to expel the algae living in their tissues, a process known as coral bleaching. This leaves the corals white and vulnerable to disease and death. Additionally, oceans absorb excess carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, causing them to become more acidic. This ocean acidification makes it difficult for marine ecosystems like corals and shellfish to build their skeletons and shells, severely threatening the entire reef ecosystems. Sea level rise and coastal erosion. The Philippines is experiencing a sea level rise that is almost 3 times the global average. This leads to the inundation of coastal lands, loss of habitats, and saltwater intrusion into freshwater sources. Number 3. It also increases the risk of coastal erosions, which destroys coastal communities and valuable ecosystems like mangrove forests that act as natural barriers against storms. Important impact on fisheries. The warming and acidification of the ocean, along with the degradation of coral reefs and mangroves, negatively affect fish populations. Many fish species depend on this ecosystem for breeding and as nurseries. The decline of fish stocks threatens the livelihoods of millions of Filipino fishers and the country's food security. Agricultural ecosystems and food security. Agriculture is a cornerstone of the Philippine economy, but it is highly susceptible to climate change. Crop yields and productivity. Extreme weather events like strong typhoons, intense droughts, and heavy floods directly damage crops and livestock, leading to significant losses in agricultural production. Changing rainfall patterns and rising temperatures can also reduce the yield of staple crops like rice, which is sensitive to high temperatures during its growth stages. This poses a serious threat to the nation's food security. Pest and disease outbreaks, warmer temperatures, and altered rainfall can create favorable conditions for pests and diseases to thrive and spread more easily. This further threatens crop health and productivity, increasing the need for pesticides which can harm the environment. Water supply for irrigation. The increased frequency of droughts and the unreliability of rainfall affect the water supply needed for irrigating farmlands, particularly in rain-fed areas. These can lead to crop failures and a decrease in overall agricultural output. This is our second intended learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to A. Define climate change and describe its main causes and effects. Explain how climate change affects different ecosystems in the Philippines, like forests, marine, freshwater, and agricultural. We will have the next part of this quarter 3 biology lesson 10.